Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best faucet cartridge is probably one of the most important components in your faucet, and replacing it can be a surprisingly simple DIY project that saves you money and frustration. This video will guide you through the entire process, from identifying your cartridge type to installing the new one, ensuring you get the best performance and longevity from your faucet. Number 5. Moen 1222 Cartridge. Is your shower faucet dripping or sputtering? It's time for a simple fix. This Moen replacement cartridge is here to help. Replacing your old cartridge is easier than you think. It's designed for hassle-free installation, saving you time and money. This is the genuine Moen replacement part, ensuring a perfect fit for your Moen tub and shower. It's built to last. You're getting an authentic Moen part, made to the highest standards. Enjoy reliable performance for years to come. It comes with Moen's 1-year limited warranty, giving you the confidence to make this simple repair. Get back to enjoying your shower. Don't let a leaky shower ruin your day. This simple replacement will restore your shower to its former glory. What we like. It's an original Moen part, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. Installation is hassle-free, saving you time and effort. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. If you value authenticity and worry-free repairs, this is the cartridge for you. What people say. Installing the new one was fairly easy. I used the included silicone lubricant packet and applied it to the new valve and also around the interior of the valve body. The PosiTemp technology is a standout feature of this cartridge. It ensures consistent water temperature, preventing sudden fluctuations that can be uncomfortable during showers. Functionality-wise, the cartridge has exceeded my expectations. The handle operates smoothly, and I've noticed a significant improvement in water flow and pressure. Number 4. Moen 1222 Cartridge. This replacement cartridge is designed to perfectly fit your Moen faucet. It's made with durable materials to ensure long-lasting performance and reliable water flow. Say goodbye to leaks and low water pressure. It provides smooth, unrestricted water flow for an enjoyable shower experience. It's built to last with high-quality brass and plastic. This ensures it can withstand daily use and maintain peak performance for years to come. Replacing your old cartridge is simple and straightforward. You can easily install it yourself, following our easy instructions, or contact our customer service for assistance. It's precisely engineered to the exact dimensions of the original Moen 1222 cartridge, guaranteeing a perfect fit for your shower. Enjoy a renewed shower experience. What we like. This option offers incredible value without compromising quality. It promises improved water flow and is built to last. If you're on a budget but need a reliable replacement, this is a smart choice. What people say. Easy installation, worked great. It was properly snug, but easily installed and it worked flawlessly. This cartridge that I just ordered, slid easily into place and shut off immediately with no adjustment. Number 3. Moen 1224 Cartridge Kit. This kit is designed to replace worn-out cartridges in most Moen faucets and tub showers. It's a simple solution for restoring smooth operation. It fits the majority of Moen's 2-handle faucets, making it a convenient choice for many homeowners. This is a great solution for leaky faucets. It boasts a solid brass construction, ensuring lasting performance and reliability. You can trust it to stand up to daily use. The kit includes comprehensive installation instructions for a straightforward process. You can easily install it yourself, saving money on professional services. It replaces both hot and cold cartridges, providing a complete solution for your faucet repair needs. It's a cost-effective way to fix your faucet. It's also compatible with 2- and 3-handle tub and shower faucets. It's a versatile solution for various plumbing fixtures. The package includes 1 cartridge, ready to revitalize your faucet. Everything you need is right here. What we like. It's compatible with most Moen double-handle faucets and tub showers. The solid brass construction ensures durability. It replaces both hot and cold cartridges, simplifying the repair process. If you have a double-handle Moen faucet and need a simple, durable solution, consider this one. What people say. Took 5 minutes to install and it worked perfectly. This is a genuine Moen part also. It was well greased up as well. This item took care of my leaky sink problem. As advertised. Perfect fit. Easy to install. Number 2. Moen 1224 Cartridge. Get 2 high-quality replacement cartridges for your Moen shower faucet. They're designed to work perfectly and save you money. Enjoy unrestricted water flow and say goodbye to leaks. It's built to make your shower run smoothly and efficiently. Made with durable brass and plastic, it's engineered for peak plumbing performance. This will keep your shower working perfectly for years to come. No need to replace your entire fixture. Simply swap out your old cartridge in a few easy steps. We even have instructions to guide you. It's precisely designed to fit your Moen shower. The dimensions are 258 inches, ensuring a perfect and easy replacement. What we like. Get 2 cartridges for the price of 1. It also offers improved water flow and is built to last. If you want a cost-effective solution with a backup, this is the perfect option. What people say. This faucet cartridge is almost identical to the Moen brand, and works just as good. Compared the original cartridges with replacements and they look identical. Installed with no issues and stopped my dripping issues. These replacement valves were equal in fit and function to the original valves. Number 1. Moen 1255 Cartridge. This is the Moen 1255 replacement cartridge, designed for a perfect fit and reliable performance. It's a single cartridge, easy to install and maintain. It comes with everything you need for a smooth replacement, the cartridge itself, plus a nut, Allen screw, and wrench. Everything is included for a simple repair. It boasts a durable Duralast design, featuring a stainless steel lever for long-lasting use. You can trust it to withstand daily wear and tear. Experience smooth, single-lever operation thanks to its 31mm Duralast assembly. Adjusting your water temperature and flow will be a breeze. Molded seals ensure a leak-proof fit, protecting your bathroom from unwanted water damage. It's designed for peace of mind. Replacing your old cartridge is simple. Just follow the instructions and you'll have it installed in no time. What we like. It boasts a durable Duralast design for long-lasting performance. The molded seals provide leak-proof protection. It even includes the necessary tools for installation. If you prioritize durability in a complete kit, this is a great option. What people say. It arrived in 2 days thanks to Amazon. It's no fun using the laundry room sink for my kitchen sink. I am a 61-year-old female and I completed the repair in 5 minutes. It is so easy. First turn off the water. The new cartridge comes with an Allen wrench, new set screw and new cartridge and new plastic outer nut. Using the Allen wrench, remove the handle and discard the old set screw. Place the new set screw inside the handle but don't tighten it yet. Now unscrew the metal decorative cover cap. Now using pliers or a wrench, I used pliers, remove the old black plastic nut. Pull the cartridge out. Mine was in bad shape. I used a paper towel to clean out the debris from inside the faucet. Then I popped the new cartridge inside by lining up the grooves. It will only go in one way, so rotate it around until the proper grooves line up and slide it in. Then hand thread the new plastic nut over the cartridge and tighten with pliers. When it felt snug, I turned it 90 degrees more. Now replace the outer cover and hand tighten. This resolved my dripping Moen kitchen faucet. Ensure you have a 13/16 socket at the ready to loosen the retaining nut that holds the cartridge. Replacement take no more than 5 to 10 minutes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.